Well, I have more than one of these chips. These. Could just be that that one's not working. Pop in it, pop the second one in there, and no, nothing on that one either. This is the kernel ROM right here. I suppose it could potentially cause a problem. We'll pop him out, then just stick him back in there real good. Try it again. Nothing. This is the basic ROM. Guess if basic's not working, the machine probably wouldn't boot properly. That socket's coming apart. That's fun. Well, one of the contacts on the inside just came up a little bit. I don't think there's any. Looks like there's been some rework on this chip. No, that's awful suspicious. Let me clean that up. Okay. Put a little bit of IPA in there. Just a cleaning. I know some folks are real happy with stuff called deoxit, but I don't have any of that. Clean that socket out. While that's drying, we'll take the CIA chips out of the socket a little. Just to move them a little. do that with the SID, which that wouldn't prevent the system from booting, but while we're in here, just moving them in the socket a little. Hopefully get a little better connection. I don't trust that socket. We may have found our problem. You guys can see the screen. There's a tiny little D right there at the top of the screen. Which means the character ROM is working, because that's a character that would be in that ROM. But that changed when I jostled this basic ROM. I don't know if the ROM is bad or if it's just not making good contact, but I really don't think it's making good contact the way it's loosely coming in and out of that socket. Well, let's do this all over again. I won't hold you guys here for all that. All right, I have a new socket in here. And let's give it a shot. Nothing at all. I'm going to have to do my research. If anybody has any information or any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. This has been yet another disappointing and annoying repair attempt video, but I'm not giving up on this one. If nothing else, I'll see if I can't locate more of these chips, do some research on this, and then we'll give this another crack at another time. For now, I wish you all a good evening, and thank you for joining me, and hope to see you next time.